Struggling to land job interviews in 2026? What if an AI could coach you live while you're on the call? Today, we're breaking down Verve AI Copilot, the AI interview tool everyone's talking about, to see if it's game-changing help or just hype. Verve AI Copilot is an AI-driven interview assistant that gives you real-time support during mock interviews and live interview sessions. It listens to your questions, transcribes in real time, suggests structured answers, and helps refine your responses on the fly, boosting confidence and preparation. It also comes with coding interview help, online assessment solvers, domain-specific specialists, and phone interview support to cover everything from HR rounds to technical screens. On the plus side, Verve AI's strengths include live answer suggestions, AI mock interviews, an AI resume builder, multilingual transcription in 25-plus languages, and industry-specific domains that tailor feedback to your field. Many users also find it intuitive and helpful for structuring thoughts and improving performance. But there are downsides. Some feedback can feel generic, advanced tools are locked behind paid plans, and there's risk of over-reliance, meaning you still need real skills and practice beyond AI suggestions. Pricing ranges from a free plan with limited sessions to paid tiers that unlock unlimited interviews and advanced copilots. So, is Verve AI Copilot worth it? If you want a smart boost for interview confidence and structure, it's a strong contender with real-time help you actually feel in the moment. But don't expect it to replace genuine experience or preparation. If you found this review helpful, hit like, drop a comment about your interview goals, and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns.